Welcome to processing. Up to this point, we've been pretty focused on shaping your loan and helping you find the right home and, of course, getting the seller to say yes to your offer. So mission accomplished on phase one. But now it's time to shift our focus and set up this loan that we've been talking about and move it along to closing. Now, loan approval is going to happen in underwriting, but before we can get to underwriting, we have to do some prep work, and that prep work is called processing. Processing overlaps with some of what we did to get you pre-approved, but some of your paperwork may have expired, and loan guidelines are chock full of silly minutia. Oh, wait. Did I say silly minutia? I meant to say incredibly important details, because even the little stuff matters. We've got to dot every I and cross every T before we can get to closing. And this kind of specialized and detail-oriented work calls for a detail-oriented specialist. And that means there's going to be a changing of the guard when it comes to your main point person. For the traditional mortgage process, we'll introduce a mortgage consultant, or MC, and for the same-day mortgage process, one of our associate underwriters is going to take charge. Whoever's taking the lead for you, the next steps really will feel and look the same. They're going to review your file and update your task list and walk you through gathering everything we need. And once all the little boxes are checked, they'll submit your loan off to underwriting. As always, please complete any requests and tasks within a day or two. That really does keep things moving smoothly and stay ahead of potential headaches and hassles down the line. The resources on this page are here to help, but also don't hesitate to reach out to the people. If you have questions, if anything leaves you scratching your head, our processing team is at your service. And for anything to do with the numbers and the loan side of things, your loan partner is still and always going to be your go-to.